Okay, go ahead. Say it again. One more time.
I forgot.
Okay, what do you say, Femi?
Isaiah hit me first.
Okay, now what do you say, Isaiah?
Femi hit me and I didn't do anything. Oh, now I remember. Isaiah yelled at Femi, then Femi hit Isaiah, and then Isaiah hit Femi, and that's all.
Okay, is that correct, Femi? Well, please give us the correct version.
Isaiah hit me first on the arm. Yeah, he was like this. Like as hard as he can.
Okay, now what do you have to say, Isaiah?
That I did nothing of this. That's a smile. Which one would you believe? Him, her, or me? Because I'm the oldest and I've always been trusted. Really? Because once
okay, well, you know what? Look at me in the eye and tell me the truth. Look at me in the eye. Tell me the truth.
Femi hit me and I did nothing.
You looked over there. When you didn't look at me in the eye, look at me in the eye again and say it.
Femi hit me and I did nothing.
Did Femi hit you? No.
Isaiah did hit me on the arm.
Now you look at me in the eye, John. Tell me the truth. You're not looking at me.
What was I going to say? Oh yeah. Isaiah yelled at Femi and then...
Okay, that's enough. Now, okay, who believes Isaiah is guilty? Raise your hand.
Guilty. Guilty.
Who believes Isaiah is innocent? Raise your hand.
Oh,
Two against one. That's two against one.
Yeah, but why would he trust these two in the...
Oh, no.
Ah, now you're still trying to hurt him.
I'm just like that. You think that hurts?
Okay, now for the punishment phase. What should we do to punish Isaiah?
Let him not have TV for 2 weeks.
What do you think, Femi?
Wait, I got a different one. He goes to Miami City and takes off his clothes in front of everyone.
No, that's ridiculous. What do you think your punishment should be, Isaiah?
What?
What do you think your punishment should be?
Oh, I know what hers and his will be.
Yeah, but what's their punishment going to be?
They will watch TV for 65,000 months.
Okay, but what's your punishment?
I know his punishment. Because I didn't do anything. I know his punishment. Why are you guys blaming on me when I didn't do anything? And you guys are blaming on me.
Okay, you know something?
Wait, I got one.
This is getting us nowhere.
I got one. Look.
So end of tape.
He gets a punishment.
End of discussion.
No computer or TV.
End of discussion.
Okay.
You all have to come to an agreement. Until you come to an agreement about what exactly happened, we're not going to talk about this until we have a unanimous agreement about what happened. When that happens, then we'll discuss it again. Thank you. Goodbye.
Why